Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So you will be wondering how to get into the United States. You want to start your immigration journey. You are wondering which process should I file, which application should I go in for, which one will help me. Today I'm going to give you one or two of them that will help you get into the United States. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share a whole lot of videos that would help you in your immigration journey. And also please don't forget, I'm doing this video for educational purposes. I'm not an immigration lawyer or attorney, so I don't give legal advices. I don't answer legal questions. So if you have any legal question, you need to seek the help of an immigration lawyer or attorney. Thank you very much. And I appreciate the support that you guys have shown to me. I appreciate it very much, and I hope you guys will continue watching the videos. To come into the United States is a whole lot of process. It's a lengthy process, but due to the COVID, it has been a more lengthier process. But in all, it will still get to your turn. All that you need is just put in the application. You need a patient. Immigration is just like a queue. Like you go to the store and there is a queue. You just join in the queue. When it gets to your turn, they will look into it and process your application for you. So once you put in the application, you join a queue, and when it gets to your turn, they will start with your process. And the first thing that you can use to get into the United States is a student visa. So with this student visa, it's an F1, H1, a whole lot of student visa that you can use to get into the United States. So with the student visa, that's an exchange program. You have completed school, you want to come and continue education in the United States, you can use that, you can file that. So that's a non-immigrant visa. So yeah, the non-immigrant visa. So with this non-immigrant visa, you're not coming here to stay. But with this process, when you file, you get into the United States, yes, you can. Whilst you are going to school, you can look at other means and other processes that will help you get your stay in the United States. So a student visa will be helpful to get you into the United States. If you are not coming in the intention of not going to school but just to like to get your way here, you need to be very, very careful, because with a student visa you need to go through a whole lot of process. You need to pick a school, your finance and all that stuff. So you need to be very careful, but be very, very truthful. Just come in the intention of going to school. So whilst you are in the school, you can look for other means to get your stay in the United States. And also you can come here through a fiancé visa. That's I-129F. With the I-129F, your fiancé needs to be a US citizen. So if your fiancé is a green card holder, your fiancé won't be able to sponsor you. It's only for US citizen. Yes, so it's only for US citizen. I'm stressing on this because it's very important. It's part of the requirement. So only a US citizen can bring their fiancé into the United States. And the next thing is spouse. You can come here through spouse. So in case you have your husband or your wife in the United States, yeah, they can bring you as a spouse. That's I-130. Yeah, I-130. So they'll bring you here as a spouse. So with this, a US citizen can file for it, a green card holder can file for it. It doesn't matter. US citizen, green card holder, they can file for this. And also you can file for your relative. Yeah, your relative, your brother, your sister, yeah, their children. Some are for only US citizens, so you need to research more about that. And now also you can come here through B2 or B3 visa. That's the tourist visa, or the medical visa. So you can come if you have any medical attention. You can use that process and get into the United States to come here for medical treatment. Yeah, so with that you can just find your ways and means to try and get somebody that will help you out with that process. A tourist visa, you can come here into the United States, but that's a short term. That's for a couple of that's for a while. you know. So it's not a long term. The B2, the tourist visa, is not a long term visa. It's not a long term stay. You can go, like, though probably the first time they'll give you like probably 6 months. You can do an extension for that and work your way around it. And the last but not the least, you can come here through HB2, HB1 visa. So with this one, you need a sponsorship from a company. So a US company needs to sponsor you into the United States to come and work for them. So depending on the skills that you have, you know, depending on the skills, they can employ you, file for you, bring you here, and then you work for them, you know. Yeah, so you can this process is, some are very complicated in dealing with it, some are very easy, but they are all easy. It's just that it's a little bit complicated. So the best advice I will give to you is, before you start your immigration journey, you need to do a lot of research. Please do a whole lot of research, because if you don't research, you won't be able to know what you are filing for and what you are going in for. So in order to be able to understand what you are filing for and the document that you would need to present, you need to do a whole lot of research. Go to YouTube, go to Google, ask people that have gone through, those who have experience in the application that you want to fill. Ask them questions so they can help you out in that process. Because if you don't know what you are doing, you are going to find yourself in a ditch, and you're just going to waste your time. You're just going to waste your money. So please research. Please, research is very important. Educate yourself on what you're about to do before you start with it. Don't let anybody frustrate you, or don't let anybody push you to do something that you don't know what you are doing, you know. So just do more research about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.